Welcome back to Red Big John's Backyard Fishing. Giving honor to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Without him, none of these things are possible. As you can see, we are in a fog cover. We are back out on Piney Run today, seeing if we can't land some bass. Right now the wind is not blowing. I'm supposed to get up to 10 miles per hour today, but I'm trying to get in and get out before the storms come. Anyway, welcome back to Red Big John's Backyard Fishing. If it's your first time here, please subscribe. If you really love it, share it, and we'll continue to grow. Oh, plus I have finally hit 200 subscribers, so thank you to all of those who came out to support and have subscribed to the channel. I pray that you continue to enjoy the content. You know, I don't know how you guys see it, so if you do see this and you're watching it and you saw my my video, let me know how you saw it. Did you put it in the search engine? Did it just pop up on your feed? I'm just curious as to how that thing works. So if you don't mind, leave in the comment section how you happened upon my channel, other than the Lord guided you. Because this is definitely a channel also about ministry and fishing that goes hand in hand. So let me know. All right, let me go set up my stuff and I'll be back. Uh-oh, he was on, didn't even know it. Told you. Didn't even know it. Come here. Subtle was the bite, subtle, very subtle. Chill. Gotta just keep swinging. Gotta keep swinging, y'all. Gotta keep swinging. Never know what's gonna show up. All right. See you, my friend. Thank you, sir. Got him. What is that? Yeah, snake. Yeah, wasn't expecting no snake. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. A little snake head. He'll make a nice sandwich. Told you. Look at that. Nice smallie. Just came and got it, y'all. Can I get him in? That's the question. I got rocks. Look at that. I got rocks to deal with. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here. He's a nice one too. And I don't need him in them rocks though. I'm trying to bring him past these rocks. Come here, Smalley. You have made my whole entire day. I just gotta bring you in. Yes. See what I'm talking about, y'all? This is prime territory for these smallies. Thank you, Mr. Smalley. Man, do I appreciate you. Gone. Mama said. finally hooked up, y'all. Look at it. He's not getting away. He hooked right in the snout. Oh, he's a big one too, y'all. He's a big one. He's a big one. Yes, sir. Down. Here we go, y'all. Nice little bass. Nice fatty 3-pound butte. We got to get a picture. Now, I know you want to go. Gone, just like that. Keep them fresh. They ain't got no problem swimming away. Hey guys, it's BigJohn. Always remember, keep the Lord first and keep your lines tight. God bless. I'll see you next time on the water.